friends! I have another Fabfitfun, and this box is like twice the size. Look at that. Now this time I did actually get some add-ons, but they are fairly small, so I believe the size of the box is due to what has come this month. So let's just open it and see what's inside.
Oh, there it is.
Okay.
It says your add-ons.
Oh yeah, are inside the box.
Sorry,
our table is a little wonky. Jinx.
You owe me. You owe me a product. I owe you a Fabfitfun. Okay, there's a receipt. Okay. I always like pulling this stuff out for her. So they come with that magazine that encourages you to feel fabulous, gives interviews, editor notes, talks about different items. So there's also a coupon this time to promote Green Chef, the #1 meal kit for eating well. And then it gives keto, paleo, plant-powered, and balanced living. Gives you some options. So that is greenchef.com.
And I'm actually going to see if I can give this away. If possible, give me a message down at the bottom and I will see about messaging you and giving you the details on that because I won't use it. So,
okay, another one, Bright Cellars Discover Wine You Love, a $50 credit. So take the wine quiz, do your matches, experience Bright Cellars. So they are also promoting other products. So here's that wonderful tissue paper. Oh my gosh, Melissa, there's so much stuff in here. I can't even find the paper that explains it all.
This is...
Oh, there it is. Okay.
Yeah, it's in the book.
Magazine.
Yeah, it's in the magazine.
Awesome.
Sorry,
So
yeah,
that one's
on your
the starter kit,
it didn't have this in it.
Okay.
And I thought it would.
All right. So the first item says
This is actually an add-on that I did.
Okay.
This is a spongel.
Blackberry Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer.
Yes. I'm excited. It's like soap. Like a soap scrubber thingy.
So the sponge is feels almost soft waxy because it's infused
it's covered
with
soap, and just as you get it wet and you scrub with it, the soap will lather up.
Oh my gosh, this is so much
thing.
stuff. So how much did this box cost you, Melissa?
I think I spent like $21 extra.
Okay.
So this is actually another add-on.
Okay, so lip line-ish lip line. So she's got the color Sassy.
Let's go ahead and pull them out.
Scandal. Okay. Fantasy. What's the name of that one?
Where's it say it?
At the end.
Oh.
Ooh la
Ooh
la.
La La. Okay.
So they have enticing names.
Everyone's come out.
Okay, so you can't get your product out.
Right.
Okay, they are.
This is the Ooh La La.
So
it's kind of a brownish,
cinnamony color.
Yeah.
Ooh, this is similar to what I'm wearing right now. It is an ish. This one was Fantasy. And there goes my gel polish. Right off my nail.
Oh no.
Oops. I wouldn't recommend that one. Do it yourself at home. Did not do it well. Sheesh.
Oh, that one's more red.
Oh, this one is very pretty.
Yeah.
It's like a deep fire engine red. Sassy.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect name.
And I love to wear reddish colors, so I'm definitely going to experiment with all of these.
Sassy, I would expect it to be kind of reddish too, but I opened it the other end.
No biggie. They're all going to come out of the box later anyway.
So kind of a pinky brown, actually.
Yeah, this one's kind of toned down compared to... Oh,
kind of
there we go.
Kind of a rose.
Yeah, kind of rosy, more rosy color.
Okay. So we'll put all these back in the bag so she can keep herself organized.
Okay.
Black mask. So this is for blackheads and...
Okay, so that one is from the third section that you could have chose from. It is the black peel-off mask plus hydrogel eye mask with hyaluronic acid set of 5. So there should be little, these little things.
Pieces in there?
Yeah, in there somewhere.
Okay.
The other choices you could have got with that...
There we go.
Was that key necklace, the Kula, I think that's for somewhere else, the Kula organic
sunscreen,
mineral face sunscreen, 30 SPF, I don't know if you can see that, and then there was the Tom Sydney sunglasses, right there. The Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler right there. So that's the one. That's the one you got in the starter box thing.
Okay.
And then the Kate Somerville Goat's Milk Moisturizing Cream. I think that's all for that third section. So what's next?
Okay. So, and that was a $59 value.
Oh, yeah.
Did we tell them what the value of the others
No,
were?
the others were
Okay.
add-ons.
Okay.
Okay, so let's
Winky
see.
Lux Unibrow.
So here's that. It is from the 5th category. Looks like.
So,
Hang on. No, this was the Fabfitfun's pick, so I didn't get to choose this one. This is something they put in there for me.
so it has the brush.
I have never
And
used eyebrow
the
stuff before,
end
so.
Is also slanted. Whoops.
The other way.
Is slanted, so...
I have seen on the community conversations that people were not expecting too much out of this, but a lot of them did actually like it.
Okay, so that's the color.
And the more you put on, the darker it'll get.
I like that. I would use that.
We'll see
Even
how it
though
works.
I have really dark eyebrows already, I gotta fill in some gaps. Okay, next